Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the leukocyte, the another name, another blood cells which are also known as white blood cells. White blood cells having the total number of 8,000 to 11,000 per mm cube. Leukocytosis is the increase in the total leukocyte count and leukocytopenia is decrease in total leukocyte count. Leukemia is the abnormal increase in the total leukocyte count more than 1 lakh. It is called the blood cancer. Okay, on the basis of nucleus and nature of cytoplasm, leukocytes are two types. First is granulocytes and another one is agranulocyte. In granulocyte, cytoplasm granules are present, nucleus is multilobed, and due to the presence of lobes nucleus they are called the polymorphonuclear WBC. Produced in blood, bone marrow, and they are acidophils, basophils and neutrophils that we will later discuss about acidophil, basophil and neutrophils. Agranulocytes are cytoplasm is clear and having the granules and in agranulocyte granules are not present in the cytoplasm. Nucleus do not divided in lobes, so called the mononucleus WBC. Produced in bone marrow, it is also produced in bone marrow and having the two types, monocyte and lymphocyte, that we will discuss. Okay, first we are going to discuss granulocytes, in which we are discuss acidophils. Acidophils are also known as eosinophils. They are uh, they are amoeboid in shape, having the size of 10 to 14 mu, lifespan of 4 to 8 hours in blood. In their cytoplasm, acidophil granules are present, which can be withstand by the acidic dyes eosin. Nucleus is bilobed. They they protect body against allergy and infection. In allergy, they synthesize histamine. In the infection, they act as a lysosome. They attach with the surface of body wall of the parasite and synthesize enzyme which dissolve body wall of the parasite and destroy them. These are acidophils. Commonly they are known as eosinophils because they stand with the eosin dye, which is a acidic dye. Next one is the basophil, minimum in number, amoeboid in shape, size having 8 to 10 mu and smallest granulocyte, lifespan 4 to 8 hours. In the cytoplasm, basophils granules are present which are stained with the basic dye methylene blue. Nucleus is divided into 2-3 lobes. S-shaped nucleus is present there. Their main function is to secrete and transport heparin, histamine and serotonin produced in the liver. Basically, they are the transporter cells which are known as basophils. Neutrophils, maximum in number, amoeboid in shape and having the size of 10 to 12 mu, lifespan 4 to 8 hours in blood. In their cytoplasm, granules can be stained by any dye, acidic or by the basic dye. The nucleus is divided in 3 to 5 or more lobes, so maximum lobe nucleus is present in the neutrophils. They are active WBC, motile WBC. They can squeeze and comes out from the wall of blood capillaries in the tissue. This phenomena is called diacidosis, diapedesis. The phenomena, from that the neutrophils came out from the blood capillaries. Phagocytic in nature, they destroy bacteria and virus by the phagocytosis. Due to the smaller in size, phagocytic nature, they are called microphilic men. Help in sex determination in females. Neutrophils bar body is attached with the lobe of nucleus, which is formed by the modification of X chromosome. Bar body is absent in the males. So the neutrophils, in summary, we know that the neutrophils are maximum in number and they having the phagocytic action, and they help in the sex determination. In females, neutrophils having the bar bodies, and in males the bar bodies are absent. Next, agranulocyte cells, which are monocyte and lymphocyte. Monocyte, which are having the size of 12 to 20 mu. Largest blood cells, lifespan in the blood is 10 to 20 hours. Nucleus is kidney shaped, bean shaped. Power of dia uh, power of diapesis is present. Uh, they also can out from the blood vessels. Active motile WBC, phagocytic in nature, destroy bacteria and virus by the phagocytosis. Macrophilic man is also macrophilic action is there, also called scarways of blood because they engulf damaged or dead and uh, dead and min bites of the blood. Next one is lymphocyte, amoeboid in shape, size is near about 6 to 16. Smallest WBC is that. Lifespan is in the blood less than 10 days, but in the connective tissue it may be month, year or whole life. Large nucleus is present. Lymphocytes are two types, T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. T lymphocytes also produced in bone marrow but mature in the thymus gland. On the basis of function, T lymphocytes are four types. One, T lymphocyte, T killer cells that direct kill the bacteria or virus. T helper cell that stimulate the B lymphocyte to produce antibody. T sponsors sponsor T killer cells and produced immune system, and T memory cells that produced a immune memory in your body that can identify the profile of bacteria and virus and memorize it for the further protection. Another lymphocyte type is B lymphocyte, produced in bone marrow and may mature in the bone marrow. Its function is to produce, synthesize and transport antibody. Okay. The third type of blood cells, two which we are previously discussed, WBC and RBC. Third one is platelets, also known as thrombocytes, found only in mammals, and they are non-nucleated, are derived from the megakaryocyte cells of bone marrow. In shape, platelets are disc-like, oval shape and biconvex, while maximum part of cytoplasm is composed of a protein called thrombocysteine. Size near about 2 to 3 mu, lifespan 2 to 4 to 5 days. Count is near about 1.5 to 4.5 lakhs per mm cube. Decrease in number is called thrombocytopenia, and critical count of thrombocytopenia less than the 40,000. If number is less than the critical count, the red spot or rhesus appears on the skin called purpura disease. Function of platelets are repair endothelium of blood vessels by the formation of platelet plug, because they have the ability to blood clot, tendency to attach on gelatinous or surface, synthesize thromboplastin, which helps in the blood clotting. Synthesize serotonin. Serotonin is a serotonin is main uh, main neurotransmitter which helps to maintain your mood. If the serotonin level will decrease, that means serotonin, that may cause decreased serotonin may cause depression, and increased serotonin may cause the excitement. Serotonin level is less, that may cause the depressive mood, and increased serotonin level may produce excitement. This is all about the blood cells. Thank you class. Thank